this video right now. Go watch it. Tell me what you think. Smash that like button. You guys know what to do. Send the troops in, baby. Enjoy the vlog. Hey guys, welcome to the Atwoods. Woo! What's wrong, Brett? You don't look like you're that happy. Let's see it, Noah. Let's see it, dude. Whoa! Before we get too far into this vlog, I want to take you into last night and how we pulled this off. Little bit of clips of the surprise we pulled for Noah and Kane this morning, and Dale's kids. So here's a little bit of that. That looks cool, dude. Real trees. What do you think? Maybe right here on the corner for one? Where do you want this one? Probably in that room, right? Or is anything deep there? Or like the corner? If you were a kid, would you like to wake up to this? It's just cattywampus. Gotta have a ramp. That's a lot of tube. Will it really blow through that? Yeah. I am so excited right now. These guys killed it all the way from Los Angeles just to bring this stuff here. We are mixing fake snow, real snow. What is the other snow? It's like a snow blanket. Snow blanket. We're gonna cover all this. I'm trying to actually record now. I actually just blew all the snow. This is biodegradable snow. This is like what they use in the movies. We just blew the whole house and then they sucked it all back up. Well, most of it. And now we're laying snow blankets so it's thicker, funner for the kids. And now we're covering the house. So it's gonna look more like snow palace when we're done. This is gonna be our sledding hill. We're actually gonna haul in real snow when the kids wake up tomorrow and build a snow ramp out of this. So what do you think?
It's insane.
It's insane. Well guys, tell me, what would you do if you woke up as a kid to this? Not the two dudes throwing snow, just the house in general.
It's so quiet in here.
Yeah.
Where's everyone at?
Alright, we are, look at that. It's amazing.
Oh, Bert, it's cold in here.
It is cold in here. It's so cold. We've had the doors open. 3, 2, 1. I can't even explain what this is like right now, guys. Look at this. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that is hilarious. When you said there's so much snow and I didn't see anything out that window, for some reason, I thought. You thought your dad might have filled the house with snow?
What do you think?
I think I'm gonna have fun. Are these real?
They're real.
Did you get that? Real snow.
Oh my gosh.
What's up?
Oh my gosh. What won't you do? Or what will you do? Wow.
You like it?
You have turned the great outdoors in.
Your snow's getting stuck in the door.
Hi, Noah.
That was good. Woo! good? Woo!
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Should I pull you guys?
Pulling.
That worked.
Push me. Push. Push. Awesome. That was a good one.
Hey, brush it off.
You are getting wet. I need your snow jacket.
Woohoo!
That's good. What happened?
What do you guys think? Is that awesome?
Who left the window open?